Welcome. If you've ever sent a voice message in an Instagram group chat and instantly wished you could take it back, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unsend a voice message from a group on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. No more worrying about those accidental recordings or messages sent in the heat of the moment. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Messages icon. This will open up your direct messages, where you'll see all your conversations, including group chats. Next, find and select the group chat where you sent the voice message you want to unsend. Click to open the group and scroll through the messages until you locate the specific voice message you wish you could take back. Now, here's the key part. When you find the voice message, look for the 3 dots right next to it. These 3 dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them, and a small menu will appear. From that menu, select the Unsend option. Instagram will then ask you to confirm if you really want to remove this voice message from the group chat. Go ahead and confirm your choice. And just like that, the voice message disappears from the group chat for everyone. It's as if the message was never sent. This feature is super helpful for those moments when you want to keep your conversations tidy or fix a simple mistake. So, to recap, open the Instagram app on your PC, go to your messages, open the group, find your voice message, click the 3 dots, choose Unsend, and confirm. It's quick, easy, and gives you full control over your messages. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for mastering your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.